What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time. It's been a long time. I know I left you guys high and dry for a really long time. I don't even know when my last upload was. I think it was like August. I'm gonna check real quick. It's actually longer than I thought. My last upload was June 24th of 2022. And it was my butterfly dreamer tutorial, which, wow, what a coincidence, because take a look at the back of my shirt. Hopefully you guys could see that. If not, I will have a picture of it up on the screen, but I did end up cutting this one because I like distressed tees and all that. Anyway, I promise I didn't leave you guys hanging for no reason. We'll get into it, but before we get into it, hi, my name is Ricky. If you've never been here before, I am the owner of my own small business called Marley Mae Customs, which started out as an epoxy tumbler business and has slowly evolved. So if you want to check me out, you can go ahead and go to marleymaecustoms.com, or you can find me on Facebook. I have a business page as well as a Facebook group. That's a private group. That's where a lot of my sales come from, with personalized items, things that are a little bit harder to put on the website. I'm also on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. I think that's it. Alright, let's go ahead and get into it. So we're gonna back up just a little bit and go back to last summer. So probably right around the time I posted my last video, the end of June. School was getting ready to start up for my daughter. She was entering the first grade, and my son was getting ready to start his second year of preschool. And I really started to wonder what I would be doing, because to be honest, 2022 was horrible for sales. I think a lot of us can agree on that. A lot of small businesses, anybody that sells anything, I think we can all feel that. I began to panic. I'm like, my son's going to kindergarten. I'm going to be staying here all the time by myself. What if I'm not making sales by then? Like, I need to get a plan. So I began looking into Ivy Tech, which is Indiana's community college. I found their business administration course, and I thought it looked something I would be interested in. Long story short, I was like, okay, I'll sign up for this. I'll start doing classes, and then, you know, by the time my son is in first grade, I will have this degree or this certificate. So I'm working on a business administration certificate, and then I will follow that up with finishing the rest of my courses to get an associate's degree. So I figured, you know, by the time Owen's in first grade, I will have this certificate in business administration. I could probably find a really good paying job in like a corporate position, you know, corporate company. But the more I started learning in my classes, I'm like, you know what? I want to grow my own business. Like, I've been working so hard the past 3 years on growing this business, and I want to keep growing it. And businesses pivot, so they change, and that's what I've been kind of doing with Marley Mae Customs. So I enrolled in online courses, and I started at the end of August, and right off the bat I took an English course, which took so much more of my time than I had thought it would, which I ended up really enjoying it, but I did end up having to write like 8 or 10 papers, I think, in the course of 8 weeks. And on top of that, I was taking another course, which was a student success course, which was a lot of like self-reflecting and like journal writing and stuff like that. So that took quite a bit of time too. So epoxy tumblers definitely took a back seat on top of starting college and being a business owner, because I was still taking Etsy orders up until after Christmas time, I think, is when I shut my Etsy off for epoxy tumblers. Like, so I was making tumblers, I was doing these college classes that was taking a lot of my time, like sometimes 8 hours a day. And then on top of being a mom and a wife and taking care of my house and everything like that too, I just really didn't have time for YouTube. But I was shifting my business focus more toward t-shirts, so now I'm focusing on like t-shirts. I have some tie-dyed stuff I'm still working on, apparel and personalized items, so like sublimation stuff. I do have tumblers on my website and I'm still not seeing people wanting them or asking for them. I don't know if it's the same for you guys, but now the Stanley Cups are really popular and I just don't know if people are like kind of getting over the trend or not. But anyway, so you're probably wondering why I'm back here today, or what made me decide to start posting on YouTube if I'm not making epoxy tumblers. And let me just tell you guys, I have been racking my brain for weeks. And I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I had deleted the YouTube Studio app off my phone, which if you make YouTube videos, it's like your back office kind of for YouTube. You can see your analytics and your comments and stuff. And I wasn't checking up on my videos until I got this email at the end of February, so about a month ago now. It's March 27th. That said, you've been accepted into the YouTube partnership program. And I just kind of sat there for a minute and my mouth dropped open and I'm like, what? And if you don't know what the YouTube partner program is, it's when your channel gets monetized. I think you have to have like 4,000 watch hours in a certain amount of time. I think it's like a year span. And you have to have a certain amount of subscribers, and I don't know exactly what all it was, but you can imagine my shock when I hadn't posted a video since June and then I get this in February. So, but yeah, it really got me thinking. People are still watching my videos. People are commenting on them, saying they like how I teach, or they like my style, or you know, all these positive comments, and it really got me thinking maybe I should shift my focus a little bit and start putting a little bit more time into YouTube and see where it can go, see what we can do here, see if we can grow a community, see where YouTube can take Marley Mae Customs, and I'm really excited about it. So like I said, I've been brainstorming and I have so many craft supplies, you guys, so I really want you guys to leave suggestions down below on what you guys would like to see. I'm not opposed to doing epoxy tumblers on this channel at all. If you guys have something you want to see, some kind of design you want me to try, definitely let me know and I will do that. I just haven't been making them to sell and I didn't know what else to film. So here's some ideas I have. Let me know what you guys think down below, and of course let me know anything else you guys want to see. Graphic t-shirts, tie-dye videos, I thought we could do some of those. Different tie-dye color combinations, different methods. I thought that would be really cool. I thought we could do some UV resin projects, maybe even some epoxy projects like pouring, epoxy pouring, that kind of stuff, like canvas, wood maybe. I thought that would be really cool. Photoshop and Procreate videos, any kind of designed videos. I'll definitely have some sublimation videos coming up soon. I have some fun sublimation projects that I want to work on. I have a sublimation printer, a heat press, convection oven for sublimation tumblers. I have a lot. I have a ton of glitter, I have rhinestones, a ton of paint, alcohol inks, guys. I have so much and I need to use it. So let me know what you guys want to see. Cricut videos, Cricut tutorials. Yeah, I hope this is okay with you guys. I hope that you don't leave if you see videos that are stuff other than tumblers, but I think we can just really try some things out together, try some crafts, do some crafty stuff, and have a lot of fun. So I'm excited. Hopefully I can keep myself on a schedule here on YouTube, because I really think it would be cool to see where we can go and see where it takes my business and grow a community with you guys. So I have about 2,000 of you here already, and I really appreciate you guys so much, and I hope to see you very soon. I'll see you next time. Bye.